Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use this crochet square board with the 20 steel pins that come with it to make bows. You can get a version of this, a different version, wooden version as well, which is exactly the same principle, but these are super cute from 9mm, and I've just done a tutorial on this one. And then I'm going to show you how to make this cute version, which is exactly the same principle of what we've just done, only this way it's going to be flat and give you the like really cute little loopy look instead. So we still need our 9mm ribbon, and I leave mine on my roll, and I get these rolls from Love Your Crafts, which are, it's 25 meters. And what I do is I start about 3 squares over, and I've got my board. I've drawn a line right down the centre of the board, and I have placed my pins, 5 sets on either side, 3 dots out from the centre, so that even, and the bow works out about 2.5 inches, as you can see, and the bow just under, well, about 1.25 inches either side, which is where the 2.5 inches comes from. Now remember with this, whether or not you're left-handed or right-handed, start whichever side feels natural for me. For me, I'm right-handed, so I tend to start this way, and I start about 3 squares out, and this is just masking tape. Now I'm just going to place this over here purely to keep this down and to keep it out of the way and make it tighter when I'm bringing. And all you do is from here, zigzag your ribbon over your pins. Bring that all the way down. I'm just going to put that there. And then I'm going to make that nice and tight. I'm going to go 3 squares over. And cut the excess off there. And again, make sure that's nice and tight. Take your masking tape, take that there, make sure it's all really right down to the very bottom of your board. And then I've got my double thread, which is Goodband's extra strong thread, and using this, don't start there, you want to start right in the middle of this section. And using the line, you want to be going right through the middle. You see? So we're lining up with the line all the way through, and then pull that through so we can make this slightly easier. Remember to untape them, and I've reused my little bit of masking tape, so I'm just going to put them that way, and then with my little ruler, just push it up and up. Take all your loops, line them all up, and you get this cute little stack look. And I bring them all upright, and then I take my needle. I'm just going to go back down through all the layers, stack them all straight. And you can start with slightly shorter start points. I just do a little bit longer because it's easier to cut down than go back, and also it gives you more room to get it nice and tight, so you get the centre right and it balances the bow rather than making it a bit loose and having it sort of move around and having like a couple of loops bigger than the others because they're not tight around your pins. And then I'm just stitching off in the back. Move this out of the way, and then I want to do these about 1 inch. front edge. And then decide which way you want to cut your right, I'll try the opposite way. This is what I mean, and this is why you always start a little bit longer and then cut shorter rather than starting short and then messing up. And then we take a lighter and we heat seal both of those. And like I said, it's super cute. Looks like this, and I've got a lined 40mm, oh, 35mm alligator clip there, little tiny one. I'm just going to put some glue across here. Centre it all up and glue it down. And we're going to take a little bit more 9mm. Again, heat seal around. A little bit of glue. We want to get this right around the centre of where our middle is. So we want to get that right round here. Open your clip back up because I always go around at least twice. I'm going to give this a little twist, so where your thumb is, put your thumb against there and then twist that over and you get this really cute twist look on your bows. Cut our excess. Extra bit of glue there. And then we've got this super cute little like stacked cute 9mm